वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिन्दुसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुवस्य कृपासिन्धुभ्यो पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयतिगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवं। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च न भक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्त गुरु भक्ति युक्तो भक्ति प्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुन् धैर्यं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवभिरिञ्जनुतं शरण्यं वेत्तात्तिहं पनुतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दम् यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमणिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गभवधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागरसारमूर्तिः साराधिकामयि कदा कृपां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसदि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबुदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरो कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरो द्विजवरो जुगधर्मपालो वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणाभतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पाद पंकजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपं भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नराणां। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषी त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं। वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदये संवित् त्वं नृसिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्ण Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oisharyasya samagrasya virjasya jasasasriyaha jnana vairagyo vairagyaschopi shanyam bhagavati ingana. Oisharyasya samagrasya virjasya jasasasriyaha jnana vairagyaschopi shanyam bhagavati ingana. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that we have no other duty, The only duty we have is to serve the Supreme Lord. That is our only duty. We have no other duty. If at all we discover so many duties in our life, this must be the arrangement of Maya. We have no other duty. Only we will have to do bhajan of Paratpara Akhileshwar Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Bhagavad Seva is the only duty in the life of all jivas. But those beasts, they have no idea. They have no jnana. They cannot understand. Those who are beasts, they have no idea that Haribhajan is the only duty. They cannot understand. Those beasts, they are only busy with their personal sense gratification. Those who are not developing this kind of mood, those who are not in a position to realize the excellent position of Bhagavan, his pastime, beauties, all, surely they cannot feel attraction to serve Bhagavan. So they are just like beasts. They cannot feel it necessary to serve Bhagavan. Those beasts, they are only busy with personal sense gratification. Also, we human beings, if not growing that kind of consciousness, we also like beast. Ajata rati, those who are not developing this kind of rati, they all busy with their sense gratification. They don't understand anything else. They don't like to understand anything except sense gratification. If human being also going to give importance to their personal happiness, like beast, then what is the utility of this human life? What is the utility of human life? Bhagavad Seva means to arrange complete satisfaction of the Supreme Lord. If they have no such tendency in their life, they are less interested to arrange complete satisfaction of the Supreme Lord, only busy with their personal sense gratification, then what is the difference between human being and beast? Because Vasishtha Muni already told, Ahar nidda bhai maithunancha samannametat pasavi naranam jnana vishesho adhiko naranam jnanena hina pasivi samana. What is the utility then? If they also become busy with eating, sleeping, and giving birth to children, or fear, they also fear like this, then how we can say they are human being? Naroposhu. Prabhupada speaking, Dipade Chatuspad, in Bhagavatam it is written. I mean, though they have two hands, two legs, everything, two eyes, nose, just like human being, but still they are beasts. Prabhupada speaking, Pashutullo. They are no better than beast. So they are Naropashu. Kishasuk Kamana. If we are interested to search the complete interest of Krishna, Krishna Bhakti, that is called our eternal Dharma. Bhakti is the eternal function of our natural function of our soul. Natural means eternal function. Same. This bhakti, if somebody had, if this kind of bhakti somebody has, if somebody has, then he can be called a human being. Dharmena hina pasuvi samana. Shasuk kamuna. Personal sense gratification is the only motto, target of those beasts. This is called kamu, kama, material kama. To search out, to try to arrange the complete satisfaction of Krishna, this kind of effort is the indication of a real human being. This can be. Nothing else. Almost 2 months over, we are going to stop discussion about this Sisi Lagu Bhagavatamrita in English, also Vedanta Sutta. It is the arrangement of Mayadevi, always like to stop, cannot allow us to run with flawless seva, always some problem. Almost after 2 months, I am going to resume this katha, but still problem, technical problem, this, that, what to do. So, though Lagu Bhagavatamrita, I already discussed 2 months before, something like, Tadikatmarup, etc. Still, purposely I like to go back, so that you can remember everything for your... So, I like to go back a little bit, and then you can start from this point. I mean, Ishvaraha Paramakishta Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. Bhagavan Sri Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Nobody equal to or greater than him, that we know. And he is the cause of all causes, original causes. All is the original cause of all causes. That is the reason. I was discussing this point. Srimad Bhagavatamrita Nirnitaha Sarva Padhanyo Jo Ananyapekhi Jo Yo Ananyapekhi Mahisarjo Madhurjo Sakrishna Eva Sayam Rupaha. There is so many terms are there, technical terms. I think most of you never heard it before. So it is confusing for you. Why Maharaj speaking this Swayam Roop? What do you mean by Swayam Roop? What do you mean by Tadikatma Roop? What do you mean by Avesh Roop? Swayam Roop, Swayam Prakash, Tadikatma Bilas, Sang, so all different technical terms. It's very easy, but apparently it seems to be very complicated. Not that. So now very easy way, we like to understand this point. First of all, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Bhagavan. What do you mean Swayam Bhagavan? Swayam Bhagavan is Ishvara Paramakrishna Sachidananda Vigraha, Anadir Adi Govindu Sarva Karan Karan, or Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, first slok, first canto, Yanmadasu Yatu Anmayadi Taratastvarthisu Sabhigya Sarato, Tene Brahma Idaya Adi Kavayama Yantiya Surya Tadi, etc. That I say, Ishvara Paramakrishna Sachidananda Vigraha. This is, and Bhagavad Ji Mahapuran, first canto, first stroke, Yanmadasu Yatu Anmayadi Taratastvarthisu Sabhigya Sarato. Who need not inform anything, he himself having all knowledge, complete, infinity. At a time, simultaneously, at a time in infinity world, wherever Prakito or Prakita Jagat, wherever, whatever happening, Bhagavan can have direct information about that. He need not give information. He don't need any help. And all creation, maintenance and destructions all happening from that source, that is called Supreme Lord. Directly or indirectly, everything done by. So, Srimad Bhagavatamrita Niranitaha, Bhakta Bhagavatam, I already know, and Bhagavat Amrito, and Bhakta Amrito. First of all, Bhagavat Tattva Amrito we are going to discuss. Why Rupa Goswami Pad wanted to discuss this first? Because without realizing Bhagavat Tattva, nobody can realize Siddhanta Vichar, nobody can get inspiration in the way of bhajan. Of course, some other side is there that I can discuss. From Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is known to us that it is written in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Siddhanta boliya chitte na karo alas, Siddhanta boliya chitte na karo alas, yahan hoite Krishna lage sudhira manas. Follow. From Chaitanya Charitamrita we find this word, Siddhanta boliya chitte na karo alas, yahan hoite Krishna lage sudhira manas. It is written, though externally Siddhanta Vichar is very complicated externally, but those who are Tattvavid sadhu, not for them. They feel it very easy. So, Siddhanta Vichar being a little bit complicated externally, people usually not expressing their mood, positive mood to learn it, know it, feel it, they don't feel. They don't like to feel. They feel it very headache. But in Chaitanya Charitamrita is written clearly, Siddhanta boliya chitte na karo alas, yahan hoite Krishna lage sudhira manas. Regarding Siddhanta Vichar, don't try to express any lethargy, laziness. Because if you know Siddhanta Vichar completely, then you can grow your rigidity unto the little feet of Krishna. So, Siddhanta boliya chitte na karo alas, yahan hoite Krishna lage sudhira manas. This is one side. Now question can come, this is always applicable, Maharaj? Always and everywhere? Applicable this point? Yes, applicable. But those Gopikas, those Brajavasis, they are less interested about Tattva. They are less interested about Tattva, they don't like to memorize or Tattva Siddhanta. They are loving natural. So, it is written, Krishner Savabhiki Piti Brajavasi Pati, Brajavasi Pati Ganer Savabhiki Pati Krishna Pati. A spontaneous, natural love and attraction, Krishna feeling for those Brajavasis. At the same time, those Krishna feeling for Brajavasis, those Brajavasis also feeling natural attraction for Krishna. Why they don't know? Nanda Baba, Jasodama, they don't think Krishna is Supreme Lord. If somebody like Uddhav, he wanted to convince this point, come on, your son is Supreme Lord, so you try to realize this tattva, so all problem can go away. He is Supreme Lord. Try to realize this tattva. Then Nanda Maharaj thinking, I thought you are very intelligent. Now I see you are very foolish, number one. But why? Why? Because so long I was thinking I lost my son. Now you are going to explain, I lost both my son and Bhagavan. So it's very for him, very heavy for me to bear. So they are less interested to think Krishna is Bhagavan. They like to beat and they like to embrace, kiss. This is their loveful affair. This is only available inside Vrindavan. This kind of natural loveful affair is not available anywhere. Though in Vaikuntha Jagat also sometimes we think this kind of love, okay, but still has some reason behind it. But the Brajavasis, they have no reason. Why they love, what is the utility, what they can get. They are less interested, they have no idea about it. Vaikuntha Jagat also Supreme Lord. I like to serve him. Like Hanumanji Maharaj having expressing Dasya. Follow. Guhak, Chandal, Saksha. Or this way they can, but they cannot go up to that far, which is available inside Vrindavan. Vatsalya they can fit, but also full of avi. Vatsalya also they can get something in Vidim, but still is in kind of avi. They love, but have some fear. But Bhagavan speaking in Chaitanya Charitamrita that Oishadya Sithil Premena Himarpito. Oishadya Sithil. If Aishadya Bhava somehow develop inside my heart, then I can lose that kind of deep love affair. Because Aishadya, this feeling of Aishadya can bring some fear, sweet fear inside my heart. But those Brajavasis, they don't fear. They don't fear. This is one, one incident happened in different Puran. It is written, Brahma Vaivarti Puran, this, that, Skanda Puran, different places, different kind of such information is available. The information available. One day Krishna was manifesting Sikh Leela, like our Gauranga. Gauranga in Gayadam, he went to offer funeral cake to unto a lotus feet of Vishnu. Bhagavan acting like a human being. Bhagavan just acting like an ordinary human being. Funeral cake he wanted to offer. There Mahaprabhu feeling fever, heavy fever. Heavy fever. Mahaprabhu developed their heavy fever. Fever, and somehow everybody tried their best to solve the situation. No Vaidya, no doctor, none of them were successful to solve this problem. Mahaprabhu developing heavy fever. Then Mahaprabhu what did? Mahaprabhu told, well, you can bring the water wash from the lotus feet of a pure Brahman, then I can drink, my fever can go away. To show the honor to Brahman Vaishnavas. Namo Brahmanno Devayo Go Brahmanno Hitacho Jagat Dhitayo Sri Krishnayo Govindayo Namo. So naturally Bhagavan like to give honor. You can say Dasaraji Maharaj loved Ramchandra is okay, but not like Nanda Maharaj. To carry out the duty, whatever commitment done unto a lotus feet of Koikeyi, you are very much interested to solve this problem. Because commitment done, na? So commitment is more important than my love to Ramchandra. It is going there in Ayodhya, one nice, Raghukul Rid Sada Chali Ai, Pran Jaye Par Bachan Na Jai. This is going on. Raghukul Rit Sada Chali Ai, Pran Jaye Par Bachan Na Jai. But here, you see the difference. Here, Dasaraji Maharaj very much afraid about his commitment done. He is not going to throw commitment for Ramchandra. Well, what commitment? Let the commitment go to hell. I love Ram, not speak. But at the same time, love him. It is true. Without Ram, he cannot live. And that's why he had to leave his body. But not like Nanda Maharaj. Nanda Maharaj giving first preference to the love of Krishna. He is ready to do anything for Krishna. Even from Krishna, he is going to worship demigods like, Nanda Baba. But Indra Maharaj, be careful. If you find some Brajavasi going to worship some demigods, that also for the absolute satisfaction of Krishna. Like our Sachima. Sachimata going to worship Sachi Devi is one form of Durga. Sachi Devi. Usually those Matajis, when they are going to get children, first of all they go and offer to Sachi Devi some puja. It is their, it is their heretical belief that we will have to give worship to Shashti puja. But who is Shashti and who is Gauranga? Now you point. So, Sachimata going to worship Shashti Devi, that also bhakti. And my taking shelter unto Lotus Guru Padma, serving and speaking Harikatha, everything, maybe it is not bhakti. Or can be bhakti. It depends upon the situation, condition of my heart. So, it is very important. So, when the water was from the lotus feet of Brahman was given to Gauranga at Gayadham, Mahaprabhu already he wanted to drink, and after that fever is gone. It is. Do you think Bhagavan, he needs this kind of medicine? But still, why? To teach us. To teach us that he is Brahmanadev. When Sudama Vipra reaching Dwarka, Mahaprabhu Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, who is going to wash his lotus feet in a golden pot, water, after that putting on head and drinking. This is a tremendous love affair. But that also cannot be compared with the love affair of Brajavasis. There, here in Brajadam, Bhagavan Sri Krishna is going to hands up. I have nothing to give to you. This is the declaration of by Sri Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. I have nothing to. I have nothing to. Though everywhere in the world is a standing commitment there. Everywhere. Ye yathamam prapadyante tan stativa bhayamyaham. Still this commitment is destroyed, not applicable in the case of Brajavasis. Not in the case of, it's natural. So when Sri Krishna Bhagavan was sick, expressing sick Leela, Naradji Maharaj came. What is the medicine, Prabhu? Your sickness, you are expressing what is the medicine? Prabhu told, well, we can go if some devotee going to give the water was dust particle from the lotus feet, that I apply, then it's possible. Naraji Maharaj roaming around here and there, Vaikuntha, Atal, Vital, Salatal, here, there, everywhere. Chaudya Bhuvan, Pur, Bhuva, Swam, Mahayana, Tapusattva, anywhere. Vaikuntha Jagat, there. Nobody ready. Because they are having this kind of idea. There is Supreme Lord, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, how I can give? But being failure, ultimately Naraji Maharaj went to Brajadham. There Naraji Maharaj wanted to explain all in details about what is happening. All in details, he wanted to explain. He wanted to explain all everything. Then immediately what happened? All Brajavasis, they become very excited, they become very sensitive, they are ready, they are ready to give the dust particle or water was, whatever you like. Gopika speaking, how many dust particle you need? You take everything. We like to go to hell if our Krishna become happy, if our Krishna becomes so happy, if we can find Krishna very satisfied, no problem. You can take whatever amount of you can take all dust particle, we are ready to go to hell. We are ready to go to hell if our Krishna become very happy. If our Krishna become very happy, then we are ready to do it. No problem. How many dust particle you need, you can take and go away. No problem. We like to see our Krishna. Krishna was that time there was in Dwarka Dham. That time this Leela happened. Bhagavan Sri Krishna wanted to show the magic spell of the love, natural love affair between him and Brajavasis. Big problem. Brajavasis wanted to see. Brajavasis. This way, all natural, quite natural. This kind of love affair not available anywhere in this infinity Brahmanda. So, first of all, in Laghu Bhagavatamrita, there is two parts, Bhakta Bhagavatamrita and Bhagavad Amrita fast. So, Swayam Bhagavan, first of all, Swayam Bhagavan means, I already told Isvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana or Janmadasya Yato Anmayaditara Tasvarthi Susavika Sarada, that is all Sri Krishna. That Swayam Bhagavan, he is expressing Leela in three different forms. One is Swayam Roop, from Swayam Bhagavan. First of all, don't feel it complicated. Please don't feel it complicated, very easy. So, first of all, it is Swayam Roop, Swayam Bhagavan, from Swayam Bhagavan, Sri Krishna, Swayam Roop, and Tadekatma Roop, and Avesh Roop. Three different categories. I can explain why one by one. What is doing my Swayam Bhagavan? What do you mean is Swayam Roop? Why from Swayam Roop? Why from Swayam Roop? One branch, one part is Swayam Roop, Brajanandan, one Swayam Prakash. From Swayam Prakash, Prabhav Prakash, Vaibhav Prakash. All I can explain very easily so that you cannot feel that is very complicated issue. Don't feel that. So first of all, I can have a general discussion, try to have a... So, whenever Bhagavan is just expressing human lila, he is not going to transgress the code and contact of human lila. All just like Naralila Bhava, without ignoring the Naralila Bhava, I mean always expressing Naralila Bhava, that is called natural. And whenever Naralila Bhava, I mean human form Bhava, not depending about the, when going to express some Aishwarya, Ishwaratva, that is called Aishwarya. Right? Whenever the Leela of Bhagavan not going to violate the all general conditions of human Leela, then is called sweet Leela. Just human Leela. Swayam Bhagavan Sri Krishna is the Govinda. But when Naralila Bhav going to violate and expressing some Aishwarya, Ishwaratva, that is called Aishwarya. One example I can give. Bhagavan Sri Krishna took birth at Mathura Dham inside jail of Kamsa. Also, we have information, secret information. Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, all they wanted to establish. At the same time, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Nandanandan Sri Krishna, he took birth at Gokul Mahavan. Inside the house of Nanda Maharaj, I went to that place. In fact, I used to stay there before, 25 years back almost. There, Anandagari, one village, there I stayed for a long time. After that, by the order of Bhaktivinoda Tirtha Goswami, I stayed there in the temple of Gokul to speak Harikatha. After that, I went to Vrindavan, Sri Chaitanya Guru, there also I spoke Harikatha for a long time. But situation everywhere was the same. Nobody can digest absolute truth. So, whenever Bhagavad Leela going to violate Naralila Bhav, not depending about Naralila Bhav, expressing some Aishwarya, Ishwaratva, that is called Aishwarya. Just like at the time of Avirbhav, Bhagavan Sri Krishna expressed his Aishwarya, opulences in front of Vasudeva Devaki. At the time of birth, Bhagavan Sri Krishna expressed Aishwarya in front of father and mother. I mean, Vasudeva Devaki. Why? Because otherwise they cannot realize. Bhagavan Sri Krishna wanted to express forehand, club, wheel, lotus, everything, forehand. And he was bound to express this Aishwarya in front of Vasudeva Devaki. Why? Because to help them remember about the past life. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking in front of Vasudeva Devaki, I am bound to take this form of Aishwarya from forehand, everything, to help you remember the past, Chaturbhuju. Otherwise, with material conception, otherwise Otherwise, normally, otherwise normally nobody can develop this Bhagavad Tattva Vigyan. But Brajavasis, their case is completely separate. They are less interested about forehand, Oisajya, everything. When in Brajadham, actually, Oisajya is there, but is completely covered up by Madhurya. Oisajya not there, not that. Oisajya not there, not that. But Oisajya is just covered up with Madhurya. That's why it is more sweet Leela. That same Gopal, Gopal means Balkrishna, Balkrishna not going to change his pose, body size, nothing. At the same time going to kill Putana. To kill Putana, Bhagavan Sri Krishna not going to take wheel, club, anything, nothing. Same boy, same. But still, he is going to embrace the throat of Putana, Putana dying. Here externally, no extraordinary effort was done to kill Putana. Krishnodhare Vishnu kare Asur Sanghar. Asur Sanghar. Krishnodhare Vishnu kare Asur Sanghar. To be frank, Bhagavan Sri Krishna has no time to kill demon or go here and there. He is always busy with all Brajavasis and playing all the time. He is always with sportive mood, less interested about other things. Then who is going to kill? That already written in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishnodhare Vishnu kare Asur Sanghar. Krishnodhare Vishnu dare Krishna kare. Sorry. Vishnu dare Krishna kare Asur Sanghar. To kill Asura, Krishna need not come and waste his valuable time. He is busy with Brajavasis. Then who is killing? Because inside Krishna, because of the fact that all avatars are there inside Avatari, Krishna. All avatars are there inside Avatari Krishna. So naturally Vishnu is there. So to kill Putana, Bhagavan Sri is not doing anything. Actually Vishnu inside him going to kill. He need not kill. He has no time. Actually he is not going to kill. But automatically, Brajavasi discovered the Balgopal is there on the breast like hill. His breast was like hill there, and still Putana left body, but they discovered Krishna on the breast of Putana. That is called sweetness. Also Tinavartha killing. Krishna not going to kill Tinavartha or Sakatasur, whatever Balla Lila, when very small. Sakatasur, Putana within 6 months, when he was 2 months old only, Putana, Sakatasur, that time also very small boy. Trinavartha also. All done by Vishnu. Krishna less interested to kill anybody, he has no time. Actually Krishna do it directly, indirectly, everything done by Krishna, so what to speak. So, that is why Krishna Lila is so sweet. People asking Krishna Lila why so sweet? Krishna Lila is so sweet because Krishna Lila not going to violate all the normal condition of human being, all like human being. That's why it's so sweet. If Aishwarya, Bhagavan going to express, then sweetness can go away. Bhagavan can kill. He has wheel, club, everything. So Shishupal was killed, but Shishupal Badh, in Bengali and Sanskrit we say Badh. Putana Badh is very sweet. Putana Badh is more and more sweet than Shishupal Badh. Because that time Krishna was there in the assembly of thousands of, Rishi, Muni, Rishi, kings and everything. 14 worlds were invited. Rasriya Yajna. In front of them, Shishupal insulting Krishna, there was one condition, 100 over, then 108, 108. After that, Krishna can take action. When Shishupal speaking all rubbish, Krishna laughing, not speaking anything. Finally, whale going to kill, whale going to cut the throat of Shishupal. His body fall down on the ground. Everybody watching, after cutting the throat, the Atma, just like light particle, coming, and going to submerge in the leg of Shishupal. Everybody saw. This is Vaisarja. There is no sweetness. But the Putana killing of Putana, or killing of Sakatasur, or Trinavarta, all full of sweetness, all mud-eating lila at the bank of Brahmanda Ghat, mud-eating lila at the bank of Brahmanda Ghat, that is also sweet, very sweet, because they are just like human being. Lila we can see. That's why Krishna Lila is so sweet. Nandanandan. So Swayam Bhagavan, actually everything and all done by Bhagavan, directly, indirectly. Infinity word. Whatever going on, all by the mercy of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Everything. So, Krishna Swayam Bhagavan, we know, this Swayam Bhagavan going to manifest himself in three parts. One is Swayam Roop. Swayam Bhagavan is Swayam Roop. Swayam Bhagavan also expressing in the form of Tadikatma Roop and Avesh Roop. These three are the most fundamental. One is Swayam Roop, and the first is Tadikatma Roop, first is Swayam Roop, after that Tadikatma Roop, Avesh Roop, Bhagavan can come. From Swayam Roop also can be divided into two parts, Swayam Roop himself, Swayam Roop, another part Swayam Prakash. Swayam Bhagavan, now going to, same Swayam Bhagavan, Krishna Nandanandan, Swayam Bhagavan and Swayam Roop, non-different way, see me, same. Swayam Bhagavan again coming in the form of Tadikatma Roop, and after that, Avesh Roop. I can go on explaining gradually, very easily, so that everybody can understand. So, Swayam Bhagavan coming in the form of Swayam Roop. Swayam Roop means Swayam Bhagavan, who depend upon nobody, nothing. Swayam. Swayam Roop, Swayam Bhagavan already divided into Swayam Roop, Tadikatma Roop, Avesh Roop. Swayam Roop means Swayam Bhagavan. Swayam Roop also can be divided into two parts. One is Brajendra Nandan Sri Krishna Swayam Roop and Swayam Prakash. When normally Bhagavan Sri Krishna Nandanan Krishna is there, it is Swayam Roop. But when Swayam Roop going to express Swayam Prakash, that Swayam Prakash also can be divided in two parts, Prabhav Prakash, Vaibhav Prakash. Swayam Prakash can be divided into two parts, Prabhav Prakash, same body in the Rasa Leela, 100 crores of Gopika, Satakoti Gopika, and in between two Gopikas, Bhagavan Sri Krishna there, Satakoti, that is called Prabhav Prakash. Eki Babu, same Bauru. Like in the case of Rasa Leela, same Bhagavan. But we should not be in confusion by watching the Leela of Saubhari Rishi. Saubhari Rishi also wanted to express himself in different form. But that is yogic mystery. But here, 100 crores Gopikas in the Rasa dancer, Rasa Leela, Bhagavan Sri Krishna also going to manifest himself in 100 crores. But each one of these 100 crores, each one of them, 100 crores Krishna, 100 crores Krishna, but each one of them is Swayam Roop, like Rasa Leela. And Swayam Prakash, I already told, Prabhav Prakash, Rasa Leela, all same body, is Prabhav Prakash, Swayam Roop Bhagavan, Swayam Prakash, Swayam Roop Bhagavan, Bhajananda Krishna normally. After that he can come in the form of Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash also two part, Prabhav Prakash and Vaibhav Prakash. Prabhav Prakash means Rasa Leela, 100 crores Krishna, each one of them Krishna same. And Vaibhav Prakash, same Krishna, a little bit body color different, little bit mood is different, Babu Bhinna Roop Abhav, that is Balaram. Balaram is having, Brihad Bhagavatam speaking, Balaram is having Gopa, Krishna and Balaram both having Gopa Bhimani, Balaram. After that, in Dwaraka, Dibhuj Vasudev, Kshatriya Abhimani. After that, sometime Krishna and Dwaraka taking 4 hands. It is Prabhav Vilas. Follow. This way. So now basically I like to discuss some basic points actually. When Naralila Bab not going to be ignored, when Naralila Bab not going to be ignored, exactly like Naralila is called Swayam Bhagavan. Or he is coming in the form of Swayam Bhagavan means Swayam Roop. Okay. But when Naralila Bab not going to be maintained, expressing some Aishwarya, it is Aishwarya Prakash, Ishwarattva Prakash. Just like the example I already give, at the time of birth, Bhagavan Sri Krishna came in the form of, Vishnu, Shankha Chakra Gadapati Dharma, 4 hands in forms of Devaki Ma and Vasudev, Aishwarya Prakash. Bhagavan speaking, I am bound to come in this form to help you remember that in the previous life, both of you wanted to get a son like me, a big amount of Australian finances done. It was my standing commitment that I can come. So, to help you remember previous life history, I am bound to show you these 4 hands, Vaibhav. Otherwise, without watching, nobody can understand Marto Bhav Dara. By following this Marto material Baba, nobody can develop knowledge about Bhagavad Tattva. Just like Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Arjuna in Gita. Arjuna is very friendly with Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Arjuna is playing with Krishna, speaking all, joking with him, just like friend. Arjuna even could not realize the Supreme Lord is a friend. Bhagavan Sri Krishna speaking to Arjuna, if you like to see my Sarup, my Ishvaratva, Rup Pratyakho, if you like to watch, then you can see. After that, Bhagavan going to open his Vishwarup. By speaking like this, Bhagavan expressing Aishwarya. And where Aishwarya Prakash can be there or cannot be there. But anyway, Naralila Baba not going to be ignored. Naralila Baba not going to be ignored. It is called Madhurya. Surely at the time of Putana, Aishwarya was expressed, but he is not hampering the natural environment. There is a small boy, or you are supposed to be killed by Putana, big danger, this kind of feeling. Surely at the time of Putana, Aishwarya was expressed by Vishnu, not Krishna. But anyway, Krishna and Vishnu are different. So, the kind of lila, when Aishwarya can be expressed or cannot be expressed anyhow, Naralila Baba, just like Naralila Baba not going to be ignored, it is called Madhurya. Just like after killing Putana, at the time of Putana Sanghar Kal, that time also same Krishna, same, no different. But Krishna expressing the bhav of drinking the breast milk and catching the breast of Putana and lying on there. And Putana already died. So, the place where Aishwarya can be there, cannot be there, it matters little, but anyhow, Naralila Baba not going to be disturbed. That is called Madhurya. At the time of Putana Harankal, all same. At the time of Putana, I already told, Putana killed, but still Bhagavan lying on the breast of Putana, just like a small boy. Not going to disturb. Same, but Aishwarya expressed, surely. But not directly by Krishna, it is by Vishnu. Vishnu dare Krishna kare asur sanghara. So in Kirtan also Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote, Jasomati stanno pai sinando nandano Indra nilo moni brajo janero divano Jasomati stanno pai sinando nandano ইন্দ্রনীল মণি ব্রজ জনেরো জীবন. So, Bhagavan sucking the breast of Putana, but same Krishna. Not that in a small boy, the Bhagavad Tattva is the complete Bhagavad Tattva. Swayam Roop, Swayam Bhagavan. So, at the time of killing Putana, Krishna expressing the same Baba of, sucking breast milk, Norobalokbad, just like the human baby here. At the time of Sakat Bhanjan, Sakat means actually bullock cart. Bull is not there. Bullock cart. It was break. The small boy, very soft boy, how it is possible for Krishna to kick that bullock cart and bullock cart gone way up and fall down and broken into pieces. There also Krishna wanted to express Aishwarya, but not going to touch. Same human lila. Sakarbanju Sukumal Trimasik. When 2 months, that time Putana and Trimas, 3 months over, that time Narasishu Bhav Sakat Bhangan. Also, Trinavarto, same case, Trinavarto. Trinavarta took Balgopal from the lap of mother and gone up. After that, by strangling the throat, he fall down and boy not disturbed, no harm. Reached. The boy is there on the chest of Trinavarta. Also, when Jasodama wanted to bind, when Jasodama wanted to bind Krishna, that time also you see, wanted to bind Krishna. That time also, what happened? Krishna expressing fear. Mother going to beat me, mother going to bind me. Kunti Devi speaking, he is going to fear his Supreme Lord, come on. But still, is fearing. The goddess of death, Yamaraja, also fear. Jad viveti swayam bhayam. Still, when Yasodama wanted to bind Krishna, that's why that time also Krishna expressing very nervous, Baba, Vivalata, very nervous. Again, in spite of having infinity Aishwarya complete inside him, still he is going to steal milk, curd, everything. All. So Swayam Roop means, I already said, Swayam Bhagavan, from there, Swayam Roop. Swayam Roop means Swayam Bhagavan. Arthat, that means his Bhagavata not dependent or depend upon anybody. From from the Bhagavatva, from the Bhagavatva, from the Bhagavatva of Bhagavan, Swayam Swayam Prakash, that I can come after. Swayam means Swayam Bhagavan, I already told. That's mean from whom all other Bhagavata coming. He is not Ananya Pekshi, he is not dependent on anybody. So, from whom all other Bhagavata of other incarnation, Anya Bhagavata, who is not going to depend upon anybody, anything, any time, any circumstance, nothing, whose Bhagavata is itself complete, Satasiddho, satisfied, is called Swayam Bhagavan. So, Swayam means Swayam Bhagavan, arthat, who by the help of whom all other Bhagavata coming. They all Bhagavan, they are coming, but originally this. He need not depend upon anything, anybody, any situation, any time, nothing. He can express everything. Arthat, he is Satasiddho, itself satisfied. Sadasiddha. This is called Swayam Rup Kahe. Sri Krishna, Bhagavan is himself Swayam Rup. But same Sarup, when going to take different forms simultaneously, that is called Prakash. Follow. Same Sarup. Same Swayam Rup, when simultaneously going to take different forms, that is called Prakash. Prakash also two types. One is Prabhav Prakash, Vaibhav Prakash. The kind of Prakash coming from Swayam Rup, that is originally, or Gun Liladi, all non-different. What was originally in Krishna, that is same. Swayam Prakash, all same. Swayam Prakash is Swayam Rup Vaite. From Swayam Rup, no different. Shape, design, ornament, sweetness, decoration, all qualities, bhavas, no Veda. It is called Prabhav Prakash, that is in Rasa Leela, 100 crores Gopika and 100 crores Krishna, that is called Prakash. That is called Prabhav Prakash. All same. Each one of them is same Krishna, original, Swayam Rup Bhagavan, Krishna. Each Krishna is in between two Gopikas, 100 crores Gopikas, 100 crores Krishna. That is Swayam, that is Prakash Swayam Rup Vaita Abhinna. That is non-different from Krishna. That Prakash, I mean in Rasa Leela, the Krishna manifests is countless. But each one of them is same Krishna. Not like Saubhari Muni. Saubhari Muni going to express Kayabhoha Vistar. That is not there. All same. So, non-different the Rubhaite Abhed are the kind of Prakash in which you can discover some little bit difference from Swayam Rup is Akar, body color, Baba, Gunadi, a very little difference. That is called Vaibhav Prakash, just like Baladev inside Vrindavan. Baladev is non-different to Krishna, at the same time different. Because his Baba is little bit different, body color different, mood different little bit. So, and also Vasudev, Dibhuj, Vasudev, two hand, and Balaram, Jakhan Bhojabhave, they are called Vaibhav Prakash. And when Vasudev Chaturbhuj, when Vasudev taking Chaturbhuj forehand, and when Baladev they are in Mathura and Dwaraka having Kshatriya Bhav, Then they are Prabhav Vilas. Then they are Prabhav Vilas. So you see, again I repeat, try to take it very easily. Otherwise you can think it is complicated. Not complicated. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan, from Swayam Bhagavan, first Swayam Roop and Swayam Bhagavan, non-different. From Swayam Roop, two part. One is Swayam Roop himself, another is Swayam Prakash. And Swayam Prakash can be divided into Prabhav Prakash and Vaibhav Prakash. Prabhav Prakash, I say, Rasa Leela, same Krishna. Same means Swayam Roop Bhagavan, same. But since he is going to manifest in the 1 crore, Gopika 1, and Vaibhav Prakash, same Bapu, same body, same. Little bit different body color, mood, bhava, then it's called Vaibhav Prakash. That is called Baladev. And from Baladev also Chaturbhuj Vasudev and Dibhuj Vasudev Kshatriya Abhiman, and Chaturbhuj Vasudev is the Prabhav Vilas of this, Dibhuj Vasudev, this way. So, this is very easy. When Krishna going to manifest, Prakash, but Swayam Roop, Akar, shape, design, body color, Gunabuli, no way. It's called Prabhav Prakash, like Rasa Leela. And Prabhav Prakash, Swayam Roop, non-different from each other. What is Swayam Roop? Prabhav Prakash. Only for your kind information we are speaking this way. A Swayam Prakash, Swayam Roop, from Swayam Roop, it is Swayam Prakash is non-different in this case. I mean, each Krishna of Rasa Leela is non-different from original Krishna. A same original, non-different. Only the naming, only we give name. From Sri Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan coming, from Swayam Bhagavan, Swayam Roop and Swayam Roop and Swayam Bhagavan same. From Swayam Roop, one is Swayam Roop Krishna, Bhajanandar, another is Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash also, Prabhav Prakash and Vaibhav Prakash. Prabhav Prakash in Rasa Leela, countless 1 crore Krishna, each one of them same. So Prabhav Prakash Krishna and Swayam Roop Bhagavan, Swayam Bhagavan are non-different. Try to, only we, for your kind information, we give this name. Again, from Swayam Roop, if some difference in body color or shape and design, mood, guna, they all Prabhupada, like Vasudev, and just like Vasudev, Dibhuj, 2 hand, Baladev in Brajadham, Gopabhav. And when from there, they are expressing Vaibhav Prakash, then Vasudev Chaturbhuj, Baladev, when they are in Mathura and Dwaraka, Kshatriya Bhav, not Gopabhav, then they are Prabhav Vilas. So Jatha, Swayam Roop, Swayam Prakash, Swayam Roop, Swayam Prakash, Dui Rupe Spurti. In Chaitanya Charitamrita reading, Swayam Roop, Swayam Prakash, Dui Rupe Spurti, Swayam Rupe Ek Krishna, Braje Gopamurti, Prabhav Vaibhav Rupe Divido Prakase, Ek Bapu, Bahu Rupe Jaiche Rase, Mahishi Vivahe Hoilo, Bahuvido Murti, Prabhav Prakash, a Saste Parasiddhi. It's called Prabhav Prakash. Vaibhav Prakash Krishna Balaram, body color is different, all same, and mood different. Vaibhav Prakash, example, Devaki, Tanujo, Dibhuj Sarup, Devaki, Nandan, Krishna, sometimes is expressing 4 hand. When 2 hand is called Vaibhav Prakash, when 4 hand is called Prabhav Prakash. Swayam Roop, when Swayam Roop is Gopabesh, Gopabhiman. When Swayam Roop, there is Gopabesh, Gopabhiman, covered boys, Gopabhiman. Vasudev, Kshatriya Besh, I am Kshatriya, this Abhiman. Oishajyo, Saundajyo, Oishajyo, Madhuryo, Vaidagdha Vilas. It is written in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Saundajyo, Oishajyo, Madhuryo, Vaidagdha Vilas, Brajendra Nandane Iha Adhik Ullas. I already told what is the difference between Narayana and Krishna. All same, but still different. Still different. You can remember that discussion took place between Venkat Bhattu and Mahaprabhu at Srirangam. Siddhantatastu abhede opi, Siddhantatastu abhede opi, Sishu Krishna Sarupayo, Rasena utkishate Krishna, Esham rasastiti. In Srirangam, discussion took place between Mahaprabhu and Venkat Bhattu. Mahaprabhu joking. Siddhanta, according to Siddhanta, Narayan and Krishna are not different, but still different. Rasagata Vaichitra. Regarding Rasa Vaichitra, there is difference. Rasagata Vaichitra, all same, but still Krishna is different. Though same, but still different. In Brahma Samhita, you know, what nice example giving. What nice example giving. There, in Brahma Samhita, Deeparchireva dasantaramabhivetta deepayate bibbitta hetu samana dharma jastadrik eva vishwataya vibhati. Nice example given. Govindamadi Purusham Tamam Bhajan. Deepar Chireva Tasantaram Abhapitta Deepayate Bibbitta Hetu Samana Dharma. Siddhanta Tastu Abhede Opi Sri Krishna Isa Sarupayo. Rasena Utkishate Krishna Esam Rasastiti. So, in Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written, Swayam Rup, Swayam Prakash, Dui Rupe Spurti, Swayam Rupe Ek Krishna, Braje Gopamurti, Prabhav Vaibhav Rupe, Divido Prakase, Ek Bapu, Bahu Rupe, Joicha Hoilo Rase, Mahishi Vibhaya Hoilo, Bhuvido Murti, Prabhav Prakase Satya, Saste Parasiddhi. Vaibhav Prakash, Krishnen Sivaloram, Varnamatra Bhed, Sab, Krishner Saman. English I already told, I am reciting Bengali. Vaibhav Prakash Jaiche Devaki Tanujo, Dibhuj Sarup Kabhu Hon Chaturbhujo, Jekale Dibhuj Nam Vaibhav Prakash, Chaturbhuj Haile Nam, Prabhav Vilas. Swayam Rupe Gopavesh, Gopaviman, Vasudever Khatriyo, Vasudev in the form of Vasudev Khatriyo, ego is Khatriyo, I am Khatriyo, Khatriyo again. So, Oishajyo, Saundajyo, Oishajyo, Madhuryo, Saundajyo, Oishajyo, Madhuryo, Vaidagdha Vilas, Brajendra Nandane Iha Adhik Ullas. Brajendra Nandan is very special due to rasa excellency. Braje Gopabhav, Ramer Pure Khatriyo Bhavan. When Balaram staying in Brajadham is Gopabhiman, though originally Krishna from Vasudev, but still Nanda was thinking both of them my son. And Baldev also having Gopabhav, coward voice. But Braje Gopabhav Ramer, Ram, Ata Balaram, Gopabhav inside. But when going to Mathura and Dwaraka, then Khatriya Bhav. So body color is different, dress color is different, Varno, Bes, Bhed, Tate Bilas Tarnam. Vaibhav Prakase ar Prabhav Bilase. Vaibhav Prakase ar Prabhav Bilase. Eki Murte Baladev Bhav Vede Bhase. Chaitanya Charitamrita it is written. Approximately uh, approximately same when speaking this word. It means little bit, a little bit different. Price of the kinchidamse nuno. I mean, uh, when pray, approximately this word is used, pray Krishna, that means a little bit less than Krishna. Though all same, but regarding some, I know, Benu Lila, Rupa Madhuri, Benu Madhuri, Lila Madhuri, Rupa Madhuri, all four exclusive for Krishna. So, now we like to discuss. So, try to understand, don't feel complicacy. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, from there, repeatedly I say, Swayam Bhagavan, from Swayam Bhagavan, Swayam Rup also, Swayam Rup Bhajanandandan, Swayam Prakash. Swayam Prakash also two type, Prabhav Prakash, Vaibhav Prakash, I already told. Follow. Then from Swayam Bhagavan there is Tadekatma Rup. Tadekatma Rup can be divided into two parts, Bilasa Sangsa. Bilasa Sangsa. Follow. What do you mean by Tadekatma Rup? Bilas or Sangso. Try to understand. Bilas and Sangso both can be treated as Tadekatma Rup. I mean, Swayam Bhagavan can manifest into Tadekatma Rup. Tadekatma Rup can be divided into two parts, Bilas or Sangso. Bilas mean in Golokdham Vrindavan, there is Chaturbuho, Adi Chaturbuho, all around Chaturbuho, it is called Prabhav Bilas, Chaturbuho you know, Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, Aniruddha. Chaturbuho, inside Golok. This is called original Chaturbuho, Adi Chaturbuho. It is originally coming from Swayam Bhagavan. From there, Tadekatma Rup. Tadekatma Rup can be divided into Bilasa, Sangso. First of all, I discussed about Bilas. Bilas can be Prabhav Bilas. I mean the four Chaturbuho, originally in the Golok, that is called Prabhav Bilas. When that same Chaturbuho is there in Vaikuntha, it is called Vaibhav Bilas. Prabhav Abhaibhav. Okay, nice. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan, they are Tadekatma Rup. Tadekatma Rup can be divided into two, Bilasa Sangso. Bilas also coming there. First original Chaturbuho is Prabhav Bilas, Vasudev, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, and Vaibhav Bilas, same Chaturbuho. The second one, that is called second Chaturbuho, around Vaikuntha Jagat. It's called Chaturbuho. It's all called Bilas. I mean, Sri Krishna Swayam Bhagavan, sometime coming in the Tadekatma Rup, Bilas, Prabhav, Vaibhav. Okay? And Tadekatma from there, Bilas or Sangso. Bilas I discussed already. Tadekatma also can take Bilas and Sangso I told. Bilas I told. First Chaturbuho, Prabhav Bilas. Second Chaturbuho, Vaibhav Bilas around Vaikuntha. And from Tadekatma, Bilas I already discussed. Sangso mean avatar gone. Like first Purusha avatar, Karanama Sai, second Purusha avatar, Garbhadukha Sai, third Purusha avatar, Kiradukha Sai, Aniruddha Vishnu, Guna avatar, Antargata Vishnu. Okay? Sangso. Okay? From Sangso, avatar gone, first Purusha avatar, second Purusha avatar, third Purusha avatar. Okay? I can come to this point again more from Sangso avatar, from Sangso different avatar. First is Purusha avatar. Hear me. Bhagavan Sri Krishna Swayam Rup, from there Tadekatma Rup. Tadekatma Rup I already divide in two parts, Bilas and Sangso. Bilas already I discussed. Prabhav Vilas, Vaibhav Vilas, in Golok Dham to first Chaturbhuha, second Chaturbhuha Vilas. And from Tadekatmo, Sangsarup, Sangsa mean Sangso Avatargon, Purusha Avatar, first Purusha Avatar, second Purusha, third Purusha. Okay? And from Sangso, Manvantar Avatar, in 14 Manvantar, Yaggo, Vibhu, etc. I can discuss all in details after. First of all, try to hear. So from Sangso, Tadekatmarup Sangso, Purushavatar, Manvantar Avatar, Jugavatar, Gunavatar. Manvantar Avatar, Chatur, 14 Manvantar, there Bhagavan coming in Manvantar Avatar, Joggo, Vibhu, etc. I can discuss all in details. So it is called Manvantar Avatar, Purushavatar, Manvantar Avatar, Jugavatar, Shuklo, Raktos, Tathapito, Idaning, Ittadi. I already discussed in the Bhagavatam. There is Jugavatar, Satyajug in Satyajug, white color Shuklo, in Tetajug, Raktavarno, Daparjug, Shyam, and in Sadharan, ordinary Kali Yuga, Krishna. Ordinary Kali Yuga, I can discuss all in details sometime when circumstances okay, no technical defect, everything. Big problem. I feel very sorry for that. So among avatar, Sangsa avatar, Purusha avatar, Manvantar avatar, 14 Manvantar, Vivinno, Juga avatar also. In Satya Juga, Suklo, in Teta Juga, Rakto, in Dapar Juga, Shyam, and ordinary Kali Juga, Krishna Varna. And the special Kali Yuga, Pita Gaur Varna. That is different. And Gunavatar also, Gunavatar also, Vishnu, Brahma, Shiv. Vishnu, Brahma, Shiv. Vishnu going to take charge of Satagun, Vishnu going to take charge of the Satagun, Brahma going to take charge of Rajagun, Shiva going to take charge of Tamaguna. Though I am going to count Vishnu in this way, but still it is offensive. Why? Vishnu, though going to take charge of Sataguna, but still remember, no guna, Sattva, Raja, Tama, nothing can touch him because it is Turiya Avastha, Suddho, Sattva Avastha. Though Vishnu going to take charge of Sataguna, but we should remember, Vishnu is never contaminated with anything. Vishnu is Vishnu. Though purposely out of his lila going to take charge of Sataguna, still is beyond any guna. So, okay, then Gunavatar. Then also Purushavatar, Manvantar Avatar, Jugavatar, Gunavatar, Leelavatar also. In Bhagavatam, I can speak tomorrow. In Bhagavatam, 25 Leelavatars, Matso, Kurmo, Rama, Nishinga, etc. 25 Leelavatar. They, in each kalpa, they are appearing. That's why they also can be identified at Kalpavatar. So, what is it? So, Swayam Bhagavan, from there, Swayam Rup, Tadekatma Rup, Avesh Rup. So, Swayam Rup I already discussed. Swayam Bhagavan, from there, Tadekatma Rup, I also will Vilas and Sangso. Sangso divided into Purusha Avatar, Leela Avatar, Manvantar Avatar, Juga Avatar, Guna Avatar. Leela Avatar already I say. And Avesh Avatar, first of all I saw na Swayam Bhagavan can be divided into Swayam Rup, Tadekatma Rup, Avesh Rup. And Avesh Avatar also can be divided into two parts. One is Shakshat, Shaktavishto, Mukha Avatar, Kopil, Rishabh, Shaktavesh, Shesh, Ananta, Brahma, Chatushan, Narad, Prashan, etc. are Saktavhash Avishto. Saktavhash, Sakshat Saktavishto, When directly Shakti coming and making some induction, Avesh, then Kopil, Rishabh, not only that, but also among them, you can also find some symptom of Bhagavan among them. Shaktavesh, Shesh, Ananta, Brahma. But Shaktabhas means some sort of Shakti, sometime entering into somebody to do something, to get it done by him, and Shaktabhas. That is called also Shaktavesh, Avesh Avatar. Like Nakul Brahmachari. Inside Nakul Brahmachari, you can remember. If you are Gaudiya devotee, you can remember. If you are not Gaudiya devotee, you cannot remember. If you are Gaudiya devotee, you can remember easily. Nakul Brahmachari, inside Nakul Brahmachari, Bhagavan appeared, Gauranga from Puri. Sivananda Sen expressing doubt. Sivananda Sen expressing doubt. All thousands of people coming to meet with him, to exchange Baba, asking some question. Follow. But Sivananda Sen going to test. Sivananda Sen speaking, if it is really Shaktavesh, then I can test him. I can stay outside it long distance. If that Brahmachari Gauranga coming, my Ishtadev, he can speak what is my Ishta mantra. Let me test. Then immediately after some time, Nakul Brahmachari is speaking, there is Sivananda Sen roadside. You go and call him. When he is coming, you say your mantra is and the Sakhar mantra, or he already speak, Gopal mantra. This way, Nakul Brahmachari for the time being, Shakti, induction, Avesh, after some time, normal. Nakul Brahmachari, normal. So all thousands of people came. This kind of Shakta, Bhas, Avishto, Gauna Vibhuti. In Gita, in Vibhuti Yoga, all in details written. So, also, when I was discussing about Tadakatmaru, Vilas, Prabhav Vilas, Vaibhav Vilas, everything, Prabhav Vilas, I say first Chaturbho, second Chaturbho also, and Vaibhav Vilas, Paravarasto, Ditiya Chaturbho, they are different, from Vasudev coming, Vasudev Sankarsan, Pradyumna Anudya, na? I already told, Daruka, and Vaikuntha also Chaturbho second. They are also in Vasudev, from Vasudev, Keshav, Narayan, Madhav, from Sankarsan, Govinda, Vishnu, Madhusudan, from Pradyumna, Trivikram, Vaman, Siddhar, from Aniruddha, Rishikesha, Padmanabha, Damodara. So, what do you see? Keshavaya Nama, Narayana, Madhavaya Nama, Govindaya Nama, Sri Vishname Nama, Madhusudan, Trivikraman, Vamundava, Siddhara, Rishikesha, Padmanabha, Damodaraya Nama. We are speaking, no? This is the Adhishtatri Devata. They are all the specific Devata, those who are in charge of each and every month, 12 months. And also when we are doing tilak, Keshavaya Nama, Narayana, Madhavaya Nama, Govindaya Nama, Sri Vishname Nama, follow. Govinda, Keshavaya Nama, Madhavaya Nama, Govinda, Sri Vishname, Madhusanam, Trivikraman, Vamundeva, Siddhara Nama, Rishikesha Nama, Padmanabha, Damodaraya Nama. So all 12 tilak we are doing. Each and every place we are uttering the name of each and every avatar. And also they are in charge of each and every month of these 12 different months. Follow. Also, from that Chaturbhuha, each two, 8 Divaram Vaibhav Vilas. Don't understand. Again, from that Chaturbhuva, I already saw this kind of all 12 months, 12 different expression, 12 different month, different name, like Vaishakh is Keshav, Jyeshto, Narayan, this way, 12 months and 12 tilak. Again, Mahaprabhu speaking from different Shastra, it is Praman there. Again, all each and every Chaturbhat, each two having 8 Vaibhav Vilas. Vaibhav Vilas. It is called each of them. One is Adakshajo, Purushottama, Upendra, Achyuta, Nishingo, Janardhan, Hari, Krishna. Ditiya Chaturbhed, 20. This 8 and 12, 20. Follow me. Ditiya Chaturbhed, this 20 Murti Vilas Vigraha. All total 24, 20 and previous one, and there, Vasudeva Sankarsan, this Sankarsan Padmini, all together 24 Vilas. 24 Murti. Follow. If you don't follow, you cannot understand. First, Vasudeva Sankarsan Padmini Jyoti, these 4. After that, each one of them having 3. Keshav, Narayan, Madhav, Govindo, Vishnu, Madhusudan, Trivikram, Vaman, Siddhar, Rishikesh, Padmanabha, Damodar, the 3, 12. 12, and after that, each one of them again having 2 Vilas, 8, all total 12, all total 8 Vaibhav Vilas. Adakshajo, Purushottama, Upendra, Achyuto, Nishingo, Janardhan, Hari, Krishna. So there are 8 and 12, before I told month and tilak, that 12, 20, and originally Vasudeva Sankarsan Padmini total 24. Follow. This way, in general, we discuss today, and very gradually, one by one, I can go on, so that there cannot stand any complication. So that there cannot stand any complication, I can, to the best of my possibility, my knowledge, I can try to explain. So, Vilas or Sansho, that too can be counted under the title of Tadikatvarup. I already discussed. There is Swayamrup, non-different from Swayamrup, but still body, shape and design, and according to the expression of Shakti, kinchit, a little bit different. It's called Tadikatvarup. Tadikatvarup, Purvokta Vilas or Sansho, to be the 2 type. Sei Bapu, Bhinna Bhase, Kichu Bhinna Kar, Bhav Vishakriti Vede, Tadikatmanam Tar, Tadikatmarupir Vilas Sansho Dui Ved, Vilas Sansar Vede, Vivido Vived. I already discussed this point. Bhagavad Avesh, also I already discussed. Bhagavad Avesh, direct Avesh, or sometimes for some time, Sakta entering Sakti, entering for some time going up. Like I give the example of Pradyumna Brahmachari and Bhagavad Avesh Avatara, I already told Kapil, Rishabh, Saktavesh, Shesh, Ananta, Brahma, Chatussan, Narad, Parsuram. Not only that, but also they have some symptom of Bhagavan. Hand and leg, they have some bhava that they are Bhagavan, marking some documents, that also there. All I can discuss all in details. I already discussed, but still here I can discuss all in detail for the maintenance of this creation, Bhagavan, Sarup Vaibhav, Sakaler Maya Vaibhav. Avatar mean, avatar, what do you mean by avatar this time? For the absolute mangal of this world, Achintos, beyond our human completion, out of his prabhav, if Bhagavan Swayamrup Vaibhav Sakaler, that Swayamrup Vaibhav, when out of his own, excellent prabhav, power, purposely coming visible within this Maya Vaibhav, that is called avatar. Though Bhagavan appearing in the material world as a human being or something, but still he is not contaminated by anything. Vaikuntha Vastu. Etat ishanam ishasya prakrististo pitat gunair najujjate sadatmastam yatha buddhmi tadatmayo. I can discuss tomorrow. For the benefit of the whole world, from Swayangrup Vaibhav, if Bhagavan coming entering into Maya Rup Vaibhav avatar, but not contaminated or touched by anything, that is called avatar. Yatha, regarding Sisti, creation, Sisti Hete Murti, Prapancha Avatare, Shei Ishwar Murti Avatarnam Dhare, Mayatito Parabrahma Savar Avasthan, in Mayatito beyond this Maya limit, there is Vaikuntha Jagat, each one of them having their each chamber, Ananta, Vibhu, Vastu, Mayatito, Parabrahma, Savar in this material world they appear, that's why their name is Avatar. Chaitanya Chaitamito, Madhya Khando, middle Khando, 20 chapter, 263 to 64. I can discuss tomorrow all in details about this again from there so that this not become complicated. So excuse me, here I like to stop my discussion because anyway different kind of disturbance of Mayadevi anyway don't allow us to Mayadevi anyway don't allow us to do seva. Very, very, very dangerous. Very dangerous. I am very upset. So this kind of thing. Anyway, today I am going to stop here. So, you see, I started with Aisaryasya samagrasya virjasya jasasya sriya jnana vairagyas shaiva shanyan bhagaviti ingana. Somewhere it is written Aisaryasya samagrasya virjasya jasasya sriya jnana vairagyas chvapi Shanyam bhago itingana Ishvaraha Paramakishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam Vanchakalpataruski Pasindu Patitanam Pavana Vishnu Bhyo Namo